Guys, me again, back with more Pokemon Hardcore. Today I'm going to show you how to catch a Swallow. Okay, I'm going to show you where I am right now. I'm at Cherry Grove City. You can see now, Cherry Grove City. Sorry about these two. I haven't catched them yet. Catch them later. Okay, and we need to use Surf and use Rock Climb here. Then head back to find us out. So there. It doesn't matter what will appear, but Swallow will appear soon. Execute. Why execute? You ruined my love. You ruined my love, bitch. Said, but one more time. Hope he will appear. Hope. Guess I'm gonna cut here, guys. I'll be back when I thought. So here it is. This is Taillow, not Swallow. So here it is, guys. This is Taillow. Gonna kill it because I already caught one. Oh, he used Quick Tap. What a good move. Well, I'm gonna use Sparkle. Okay. I'm evil. You're evil. Pure evil. Pure evil. Pure ugly. Pure ugly. Okay, I'm gonna end this episode here, guys. Hope you enjoy.